Most people know us for replacing windshields, but that is only part of our story. Because every vehicle that comes through these doors belongs to someone who depends on it. A contractor, a family, a business, and that is a responsibility we never take lightly. Every day, our shop comes to life, not just with tools, but with purpose. From commercial van upfits to truck accessories, lighting, heated seats, audio systems, ADAS calibrations, and of course, the glass that started it all. We don't just install products, we build solutions. Solutions that help people work smarter, drive safer, and stay on the road. Every bolt, every wire, every piece of glass, every detail matters. Because when your vehicle works better, your day works better. This is more than glass. This is action glass. For 25 years, we've been helping people get back on the road and helping businesses stay on it. Don't just drive your vehicle, bring it into action. I'm Neftali, and I approve this message.